Hello my friends, this is Brandon, the Crypto Coding Canadian, and I want to take you through a little tool that I built, and what it does is essentially it calculates the amount of tokens that I want to send to all of our NFT holders. And now this is going to be upgraded probably today to remove a lot of the lines of code because I've built other functions, but I'll show you now what I had to do or have to do for every day to send out tokens, and essentially this has to change all this code anytime somebody buys an NFT. And so what I've done is I've created a second set of code that is on the wallet, the ANMLLAND wallet, and that essentially gives me all my information that I am pulling in right here. And as you'll see, it's the same numbers. And so essentially what I want to do now is connect the two. So I'm going to send out these tokens and show you essentially what it takes every day for me to send out rewards to people. And now I am the worst person at staying on top of things. I should probably have an alarm for this. This is a lot more simple than it used to be. I used to have to track it all in an Excel spreadsheet until I figured out how to program it. So we're going to send out 9 of these transactions. 1, 2. Oh, gas fees are high today. 3. 4. Oh, failed. Transaction failed. Right. Because we need to be in here. Okay, so May 9th. 1, 2, 3. This one failed. So we've got 3 transactions. We'll do 3 more. Or 6 more. 1. Oh my goodness, gas fees are just going crazy. 2. 3. 4. These are failing. So we gotta count them now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 more. No problems now. We'll reload this. Whoa. No way. Try that again. This is super weird. Exporting the default function. Oh. should fix it. Try that again, buddy. There we go. Should load up this time. These aren't really big problems. Alright. Yeah, it's just not using things. So I can actually take things out, but so we are going to send out how many more? 4 more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on here, the last mint was 9 days ago. So we need to send out 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 4 more. 1. No way. Oh, let's just go into a new window. And then it's not going to block our pop-up, I don't think. Let's inspect our console. And debugger. And this is the fun part that I have with this. Let's see if it'll work. Okay. Now why doesn't that work? It's really frustrating when things like this happen, but shouldn't be a big issue. Don't know why that does that. Don't know why. Let's figure this out. So I think I figured it out. I needed to load up my pool account that I send everything from with some Matic to authorize the gas. It should go now. There we go. It was just automatically sensing that I didn't have enough money for gas. So we're going to do that. How many do we have to initialize now? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. 3 more. 1. 2. that. Oh. Transaction failed. I don't like when that happens. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Failed, so we're going to do it again. We should have enough matic. It's going to be our 8th. And I'm going to send one more. Oy vey, gas is getting high. Alright, so there we have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days of paying everybody their crypto that they're owed. So this is what I do right now. It's not going to be this way for long. Like I said, I'm going to now take all of this code and I'm going to integrate it into the wallet system, and I'm going to use a node system to run the payments. So that is what I'm working on. That is a little bit behind the scenes of ANMLLAND and how I pay the NFT holders. So yeah, you can come here to the wallet and get all your stuff ANMLLAND related. You can trade tokens on QuickSwap. You can add the token to your MetaMask. You can see who's on the leaderboard, and you can buy NFT, or you can actually see your NFTs once you purchase them, all in one section. You just have to connect your wallet, and it's pretty simple. So I hope you guys enjoy it. That's me. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Again, my name is Brandon, Crypto Coding Canadian, and if you liked the video, click like. If you want to see more behind the scenes, leave a comment down below. And yeah, until the next one, hope you have a good one.